All right, just a quick Trane tech tip. If you've got a TEM6 unit and the board is bad, or you suspect the board is bad, one way to confirm, especially with these, now the newer ones have gone back to this 16 wire variable, which I used to like these motors, but there's a couple different ways that they're giving us stuff. So just in order to confirm that your motor and controller, or the controller especially, is not the problem on these 16 wires, I used to have a little tool I made that powered it up and gave me about 75%. And when we got away from those motors, I got it out of my truck and I don't know where it's at. So what I've done is just made one out of thermostat wire here, just to confirm while she's gone to get me this board that my controller and motor is okay. So I took two white wires, and those are commons. I tied them to common right there. And that is in the blue, which is pin number 1, and then also in pin number 3. As you can see, those two are commons. And we come over here to the hot side, where the orange is hot, and we go to 12 and 15. So 15 is obviously next to last on the 16 pin, and then 12, you just count down to 12. So I've got the hots on 12 and 15, and the commons on 1 and 3. Commons are already tied in with the wire nut right here, so I'm just going to touch these hots to the red. Now you'll get a little delay. Oh, there it goes. And you'll get ramp up, and that right there at least confirms for you with no fancy nothing in the field. Now, if you're on the weekend or something and you had a bad board and didn't have one in stock, or couldn't get to it till Monday or whatever, you can do this, and actually that might be about 50% fan. I think this is the same thing as a G call. So that's the same thing as the green wire being energized. And I think that's only about 50%. So it would be better than nothing to leave somebody, you know, over the weekend or something. But I do not know the configuration to get into any higher speeds. And I guess some research could tell you that, but I don't know that. This was just a test tool that I had made, and I don't have it anymore, and or just can't find it right now. It's in a drawer somewhere. So I just whipped this up right quick just to confirm that while she's gone to get me this board, I don't have to worry about anything else. So when she gets back with the board, we should be able to plug that in and go right to town. Now these are tight. A thermostat wire sticks in there really tight. So you could wire nut this, or even add a relay. You know, even add a relay if you wanted to. Like if you had to leave somebody over the weekend or something. That's just a little TEM6 tech tip. Sorry, Brad, I can't do them in 60 seconds, man. Brad on HVAC in South Carolina, or HVAC NSC, is a little quicker with his tech tips. But just thought I'd throw that one out there. Thanks for watching.